Hey guys, welcome to ESP Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at Fernhill Farms with Sarah Magaro from DR Horton.
Hey.
And we're gonna go check out the Lakeside, so I'm super excited about it.
Yeah, the Lakeside's a great floor plan. It's a single story, 5-bedroom, 3-bath house, and it's a little over 2,000 square feet with a 2-car garage on it.
All right, let's go check it out.
Cool.
This is air traffic control. You're cleared for takeoff.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
So give us the stats on this one.
All right, so this is a 5-bedroom, single story. You got the 2-car, 3-bath, and it is a little over 2,000 square feet.
All right, 2-car garage on the outside. Also, wood, hardy board. Going in, I guess that's one of their big things here. All right, here we go. I've never been in this home, so, but it looks, from the beginning of it, it kind of looks like every DR Horton home. Rooms in the front like that. LVP floor, 9-foot ceilings on this one. Like I said, these are a little bit more upgraded. They're giving you more because the commute to Savannah is a little bit longer. Like about 45 to 50 minutes to Port Wentworth from here, which is Port Wentworth, depending on traffic, is about 20 to 30 minutes downtown Savannah. So we're talking about probably hour 15, hour 20 to get to Savannah from here.
You do take some really nice back roads getting here. It is scenic. I will say that. It's not like you got to be on a highway the whole time.
Right.
So you do have that little bit of a perk.
Well, we got the front here. It's just like any other DR Horton home in the front.
Very similar. I would say this one's going to have a lot of similarities to the Cali, if anybody's familiar with the Cali layout.
Okay. And I got videos for the Cali if you're curious. This is the super Cali, right?
I think so. I think that's a good way to put it.
It took the mushroom and now it's big Cali.
Yep.
Okay. Yep.
Standard 2-car garage, right?
2-car garage. If you've seen one, you've seen them all.
Yeah.
If you watch
Yeah.
any of my videos, then you've definitely seen the 2-car garage.
Absolutely. So this is a really nice layout. I like this a lot. Dining area, huge living room.
I mean, wow.
That's a big living area. Similar, this is a similar layout to the kitchens we've seen.
Corner pantry.
Love the corner pantry.
Yeah, I mean, tons of space in there. Quartz countertops. Nice places to have yourself. Tons of room for pots and pans if you're a cooker, a chef.
Chef.
Yeah.
If you're good in the kitchen.
Good in the kitchen.
I love having this extra kind of like coffee or wine bar area.
Yeah.
It's a great setup.
Oh
Yeah, it's a big living room.
Oh, so that's probably the primary over there, I would imagine.
I'm thinking so.
Okay. All right, which is separate from the rest, which is good. I like that.
Good to have a degree of separation.
Okay, so let's go to the primary first because everybody wants to see the primary.
Absolutely.
So cool space so far. Tons of options.
Okay, this is a good sized room.
And of course, king size, old stuff. You know, I haven't noticed they don't do tray ceilings here.
We do not.
Do you guys do tray ceilings?
Not yet. Not yet. We're talking about working some options in. But you know, when you want to keep the house nice and affordable, right? I mean, this one's at a $351 price point for a 5-bedroom house.
51
for a 5-bedroom. With some of these, upgrades worked in.
Nice. I do a lot of video of houses. If you see my channel, you know. So I see a lot of tray ceilings. That's what I was like. No tray ceilings? Okay. This one's called again what?
The Lakeside.
Lakeside. Okay. Lakeside. Not by a lake, but it could be.
It could be.
If they
You never know.
Here. Okay. Whoa.
All right, so coming around the bend here, we've got...
Stairs is number one.
There's a door in the laundry room. Oh, linen closet in the laundry.
I mean...
That's nice. It's the first time I've seen that for us.
Okay, they're doing one of these in Rice Hope as well? We don't
Laurel Grove.
Laurel Grove.
Laurel Grove has the lakeside. And it would look, the finishes are really similar in Laurel Grove. So, I mean, you could definitely get this floor plan in Laurel Grove. Price point's going to be a little higher there in Guyton, but
right. What I'm seeing.
Great option though for single story.
A $50,000 difference. from not on just this home, but all the homes.
Yeah, I'd say it's a pretty good ballpark.
If you
between
just
them.
take DR Horton in the Savannah area and minus 50, that's what Statesboro's got for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's like what, 500-ish, give or take, on the monthly payment at least?
Pretty good. Not only it's not good enough for me, but it could be good enough for you.
Absolutely.
Okay, okay.
Especially if you're looking to be in an area a little less populated, right?
Absolutely. How many houses do you think they're going to be in here?
Oh,
I mean, I know you're not from this neighborhood, so I'm not holding.
it looks like there's going to be 80 homes total in this neighborhood.
8 total?
80.
80.
80.
Oh, small neighborhood.
Yeah.
Like that. Mm-hmm. So that's 1, 2, 3. Where's the other ones I'm missing? Oh, it's in the front. So boom, that's the 5.
Yeah. Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Primary in the back is 5.
Yeah, I definitely like it when the primary is separate from, you don't want the kids to be by your room. Unless you're a new mother, then you probably want that.
Yes. Yeah, it is something that's been on my mind. That's for sure.
Okay.
Perhaps we need an adjustment on that door.
Yeah, I didn't want to break it, but okay. So it's
Covered
got
back
the
porch.
covered back porch. Okay. All right. Now
So-
this yard is not as big as the other ones.
And of course, it's always going to be lot specific, right?
Yeah. And then
And, you know, with a 1 story, it's going to eat up more of the lot compared to, you know, your 2.
so let me ask you a question.
Yes.
These are like you said, like in Laurel Grove, this one. Lot size wise, this is comparable to all of them, right? Like that's not bigger or smaller, right?
I would say these are probably pretty close to what we have in Laurel Grove.
Yeah. Okay.
Pretty consistent.
Cool.
And similar exteriors, you know, like I said, the hardy siding,
Yeah.
9-foot ceilings, LVP.
Cool.
But fun fact about Laurel Grove, they are working in options. So if you build from dirt out there, you do have some things that you can pick out and work into the home.
Really?
Yeah.
And we're here in Statesboro. We're talking about the other places, but you got options with DR Horton. So plenty of
Absolutely.
places. So that was the Lakeside from DR Horton in Statesboro. If you have a question about this home or any home that DR Horton has to have, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Sarah, if they want to get a hold of you, how do they get a hold of you?
You can reach me at 717-554-0072.
Well, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Talk to you soon.